Hello friends, welcome to Code Meta channel. In this video, we will talk about HCS full form. What is the meaning of HCS? HCS is a Haryana Civil Services. This exam conducted by Haryana Public Service Commission (HPSC) to recruit candidate who is looking for uh, various state government services. To give HCS exam, candidate must have graduation degree at the date of final year mark sheet before HCS closing date. Suppose tomorrow is HCS closing date of exam, then candidate must have final degree by today. Now, what HCS included services? These are the services included by HCS: Haryana Civil Services, Deputy Superintendent of Police, uh, Assistant Registrar Cooperative Societies, Associates, Block Development and Panchayat Officer, Traffic Manager, Assistant Employment Officers. Now, what is the full form of HCS? Other full form of HCS. Other full form includes number of full forms. We cannot read one by one here because it will increase the video length, and that is not good, because you can pause the video and note it down in your notebook to get all for your GK competition exams or other competitive question answer exams. This is the second slide of HCS. HSC. Third slide of HCS. Sorry, I wrote wrong heading, so please make it correct. HCS, not HSC. This is the third slide of HCS. Thank you for watching the video. To get more videos from us, click on subscribe button to get more full form videos or other knowledgeable videos from us. With us, you will get more IT or other knowledge videos where you can get tips from us to increase your money or get career growth in IT sectors, to learn different languages and earn more increment from your company. So subscribe to us to get content from us. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.